How to make money on OnlyFans without showing your face. You don't have to show subscribers your face before you start making money on this platform, and it is possible to remain anonymous. A great way of hiding and maintaining an anonymous OnlyFans account is coming up with a character for your online audience. You can choose a nickname or a fictitious name. It is common to find such pages on OnlyFans. It might be a little harder to make the same money as people who post more risque content, but you can still make good money without showing your face. You can money on OnlyFans without showing your face quite easily, just following the tips below to stay anonymous. Ensure you use a stage name, pseudonym. Look at it this way, the whole reason behind going anonymous is that you don't want to be known. So it would be wise not to use your actual name, but a stage name. To ensure your identity is hidden, it would be best to go for names that are not close to yours. You get extra marks when you think of a name that is a bit catchy when creating adult content. Use a VPN. It's common knowledge that the best approach to remaining anonymous is to use a VPN. This is a very effective tool to hide your identity, plus it assists in safeguarding your IP address and identity if required. Use the geo-blocking feature. For ultimate privacy and anonymity, OnlyFans offer a range of features and privacy settings for your OnlyFans page. You have the option of restricting or blocking particular users or making your profile private. You can make use of the geo-blocking feature, which enables you to block users from a certain region, state, or country. Consider niche subreddits. I know I said don't use the Reddit platform earlier, but if you want to stay anonymous, becoming niche and using subreddits is the way to go. Take a step back and go over what you want to create content-wise. Are you into feet pics? Then joining that subreddit could be ideal for you when creating adult content of this type. By doing so, you're only concentrating on a single niche for your OnlyFans page and corresponding social media accounts. This is important when looking to make money on OnlyFans for OnlyFans creators. Keep your ID anonymous on social media. Chances are that you'll probably need to use new social media accounts in order to promote your OnlyFans. Nonetheless, you can encounter potential problems if you aren't careful when using each social media platform. If anonymity is integral, then don't count out popular social media platforms such as Instagram and Reddit. When you create social media accounts, you definitely do not want to affiliate with any social platform that utilized your actual real-life name. Keep the names as distant as possible. If you're on platforms that necessitate you to sign in using Google, Facebook, or the like, do not connect those accounts or those of any other social media platforms. Only focus on a certain part of your body, i.e. feet, hands, bum, etc. Another great method of maintaining your anonymity is to promote your as a certain body part. There's no shortage of people who like everything, from feet to armpits. You cannot lack individuals out there who fancy that sort of content, and this allows you to make money and grow your bank account. Cover tattoos. One factor that may be overlooked when attempting to be anonymous on OnlyFans is concealing distinguishing marks. If you've got any noticeable scars, birthmarks, tattoos, or identifiable moles, make sure that you conceal them with makeup or clothes. Although your face may not be highlighted, your scars, tattoos, and other distinguishable markings can reveal your true identity. Use a P.O. box. If you're concerned that persons may know your home address, you can upload a P.O. box instead. This will enable you to get packages in mail without exposing your address. You can register for a P.O. box through the internet or visit your local post office. You're not obligated to display your face. Keep in mind that you're never required to display any of your facial features, and you should inform your fans from the start. It's shrewd to take this into account if you want to ascertain that the content you will be posting is consistent. Use props, masks, and camera angles. If you want to incorporate whole body photos but want to leave out your face, props and posing are your friends. When it comes to posing, you can turn your head from the camera, such that your backside is facing the camera, or if you have long hair, you can use it to hide your face. Be creative and use your basic marketing skills to make money on OnlyFans without showing your face. Use a voice modifier to hide your voice. If you talk in video content or send voice notes, or use other audio files, you should think about disguising your voice with a voice modifier for your OnlyFans account. This prevents persons who may make out your voice from knowing it is you and begin to ask uncomfortable questions just because you know each other. On the other hand, you can just make your videos without talking, keeping the video content voiceless. Don't post outdoor photos, conceal your location. Other than ensuring that your real identity is not known, you should be mindful of your location and not upload outdoor pictures. From the point of view of your picture to having renowned buildings or landmarks in the background, you don't want anybody to locate you easily. Also, don't ignore things such as sunglasses, windows, or any surfaces that may be reflective. Use a disposable email address. If you're not keen on providing your primary email address, you can set up a disposable email account. Use a separate bank account. It can be wise to use a separate bank account when using the OnlyFans platform or creating adult-oriented content. Having separate personal accounts for your work and personal life can be a good idea and help with OnlyFans anonymity. Conclusion. There are various means you can earn cash on OnlyFans without displaying your face. You can do this by limiting what you put out to the public domain, using a VPN and a disposable email. You can also earn more by promoting yourself properly and engaging with your audience, so don't be afraid and find what connects you with your audience.